Hi guys, welcome to PrintRite. I'm your host Ranveer, and today in this video we are going to demonstrate you how to do a multicolor transfer printing. This is a multicolor transfer printing. So this is a requested video from our viewers. So first of all, for doing multicolor transfer, you require a couple of things. First, your transfer powder, your transfer adhesive, your transfer films or paper. We have film also for transfer purpose, and we have paper also, transfer paper. And you require good quality, high quality Plastisol ink for good transfer. So first of all, we will keep all this thing aside and start our printing. For this, I am using transfer film, and we also have transfer paper. In transfer film, there is a matte side and there is a glossy side. You should print in the matte side. And for paper, you have this mark. You should not print in that side, you have to print in inside. So I'll put a transfer film in our palette, and we'll go for the first stroke with blue, 2 stroke with blue, now you have to heat it up and dry it. You are using a heat gun in a multi-transfer, and after that you don't put adhesive, you can't transfer. Your transfer powder will not stick it to your print. So that's why the printing adhesive is must required. So we'll go to second print. It's a lemon yellow, vibrant color, bright. So we'll go with 2 stroke here. Now we'll go for drying it. After drying, we'll go for the multicolor transfer adhesive. 2 stroke above this. The gum is printed now here. Now we have to go for the transfer powder. We bought our transfer powder. Spread how much you have to spread. There's no issue because it will absorb only how much it want. After rest of the thing, you can again keep it in your box, or you can take a tray and peel it off. See, now I'm peeling off this one, my print, because down I put gum. So I will take out that extra hot melt powder and keep it inside my box, and after that, once the hot melt powder is taken out, jerk it off nicely, so there should not be any extra powder left in the outside or somewhere. After jerking off, close your hot melt powder lid, take a heat gun again, heat it up. Don't overheat or you burn it. Don't burn your powder or don't burn your color also, and don't burn your paper. So A free flow running is advised, and little bit of temperature is enough. So our this thing is done. We are ready for transfer now. Let's go to the heat press and do the transfer. So now it's time for heat press. This is the transfer what I used that time. I cut it in a shape of the image and put a t-shirt here, and I will put it inside the t-shirt and I get properly both the side, and now I will press. So once press is done, we'll go for pinning out the t-shirt like transfer paper. We should peel it off, not so cold, not so hot. Wait for 10-15 seconds. Once it becomes moderate temperature, that time take it out. See, now it got fused properly. Now we'll take that off. So we'll wait for around 15 seconds so that it becomes cold enough to peel off. And till that, this all equipments, the ink and the adhesive, everything, I put the description in the video. You can go to a website and you can purchase for your printing requirement. So I have given the link down. Please go and visit our website. So now it's a little bit moderate hot, less. I think after 5 seconds, we are good to go. So we'll peel it off slowly now. It's coming very good. I think you have not able to see. See, I'm peeling off this side. See, it's coming very good. See, the multicolor. Nicely it's coming out. See, the print is coming very vibrant and blue, and it is very cool. 100% transfer happening. That's why I told you that film is better. You can see this is done. So nice and crispy. This one, see, a multicolor print, 2-color print, and the edges, because the adhesive is there, it's not feelable. You can't feel because that is transparent. Like this way, you have to do your transfer printing, and you should like all your transfer printing job. That is very much required in your, if you're an online seller or if you do a e-commerce business or print on demand service. So this is one of the most used thing in the market now. So, and if you want detailed video of what is the temperature and detailed water fusing or how to align everything, then do subscribe to our like teaching syllabus. You can enroll to our online training classes. It is there on the website. So all the links and description will give in the below the video. You can see in the description box. So guys, like our video, do subscribe our channel, and please share it so that we can reach lots of people. So guys, as I always say, stay healthy, stay safe, stay tuned. See you soon.